Plants surround us, and they would keep us breathing. But to live our daily lives, we also need energy. It runs everything we use. Without it, we would live in a primitive world. Now we found a way to enhance the future of technology. No more old ways, we've grown out of them. Now it's time to open our eyes and perfect a new way, combining plants and technology, creating Cyborg Plants. Cyborg Plants have just been created at Linköping University in Sweden by Eleni Stavrinidou and her team. They're completely normal plants, they just have wire grown into them. The electrical wire was grown into the plant by inserting the building blocks of wire into the plant. It's basically putting in the DNA of a circuit. They are called cyborg because that's exactly what they are, half natural and half machine. They still exchange air, meaning that they can theoretically still clean our air, and they still make energy. But these are just the simple facts. What does the future really hold for these half-machine plants? Since they are actual plants, they can make energy, but not just the normal amount. Regular plants don't absorb as much energy as they are capable of, since chloroplasts are tuned to only absorb blue and red wavelengths. That's why plants are green, even though there are so many other colors. Cyber plants that grow special antennae absorb 30% more energy than the natural plants. As well as producing more energy, cyber plants can monitor the groundwater and air quality with built-in sensors. They will be able to alert farmers so they can get to the crops faster and protect against disease. They can tell if the air is contaminated, and they may even be able to predict the weather. But there has to be a downside. We can't just have new technology with no air, and although this seems all good, what about nature? Our world is already filled with so much technology. If we keep adding more in, how long will it take till that's what we are, a total tech world? Will adding in robot plants really be doing us good? Or will it just be one step closer to this futuristic world? If cyborg plants become a trend, what will happen to the ones that our Earth created? The experiments that have been done so far have been on cut stems, so how do we know it'll work on living plants? If they cut down all the trees in the process of making energy, what's the point of trying to save the trees or stop wasting paper? It'll be gone anyway. So, what do we choose? Do we stay away from technology? Or do we tackle it head on? Should we go ahead and try to harness the robot plants? One key word plays a major role in this decision: cyborg. Half machine, but half nature. We won't lose our Earth, and we can still become a tech world that remembers our home more than just once in a while. There are so many things about our cyborg plant that will enhance our future. We just have to remember, Earth is our home, and we can't let it go to waste, but we can't stay in the past forever.